Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ulat ka Jylla u Tathagata Roy rengkat bat ka kurim jong u ha ka sngi sajan khat nyu tarik unai wing kila Leit Jngoh sngolem ya ka kong Agnes Kharshieng bat ya ka kong Amita sangma kibadang don mentah pedeng ke jingsha sumar hapo Neigrihms Shillong hadien ke jingsha thambor ha ka pratarik mentau benai ha ki pait bhur ha ka shnong tuber so shri kabadon ha East Giant Hills District ya ulat ka Jylla la pediang buram dau ba John Kharshieng baru ba Francis Kharshieng kiba ap miet labat sngi ya ka kong Agnes ha ke hospital ban pediang sngobha yaki nongwan sngolem yakini ki arngut ki longkeme ki badang don haduk menta ha pedang ke jingsha sumar.
Mrs. Amita Sangma is a lot better. She has what I understand from the doctors is she is completely stable now. Otherwise she's better. Mrs. Kharshieng is also stable, but still what I understand is that she is in a very delicate state still, and she will need a lot longer stay in the hospital because her wounds are very serious wounds. Even Mrs. Amita Sangma had a bit of her finger cut off by the assailants. But the doctors here are doing a wonderful job. In fact, her family took a very correct decision in bringing her here rather than taking her to Guwahati. Because taking her to Guwahati would have caused a lot of loss of time and strain. This has been much better. I pray to God. My wife also joins me in praying to God that they recover very soon. Supreme Court, which has put an embargo on mining, this is not a simple matter. If it is by order of a Supreme Court, then approach will have to be made to the Supreme Court to get that order vacated to start mining. What I understand is that the livelihood of a lot of people are involved also in this thing. But at the same time, no one can be allowed to take the law in his or her hands, which is what has happened. And this is quite a different matter from the mining itself. This attack on Mrs. Kharshieng and Mrs. Sangma is a different matter altogether from the resumption of the mining. This we'll have to handle as a law and order problem, and necessary action will have to be taken by the police. It indicates that there are vested interests who came to attack her. They are criminals. Now the police will have to take adequate action in respect of them. One attack doesn't mean a breakdown of...
This is the second attack.
That is true.
On the area in the month of March.
I know.
And Jew leader was...
Okay. But that is not for me to comment on. That you will have to talk to the government on whether there is a breakdown of law and order, what further is to be taken. I'll discuss it separately with the Chief Minister. I'm meeting the Chief Minister a few days later. And meanwhile, today itself, I'll speak to the DG. See, I am not aware of any such reluctance on the part of the state government. As a matter of fact, so far, whatever I have learned about this incident is largely from the press. Of course, I have inquired from the government also. Today, the reason for my coming were twofold. Number one is to express my solidarity, to express my sympathies to Mrs. Kharshieng and Mrs. Sangma. Also to express my solidarity with the family of the two ladies, and also to understand what exactly happened. We had a longish conversation with Mrs. Sangma, who is quite stable, and after that I shall take adequate action. Speak to through the police, that is, speak to the DG.